Skimlinks review, honest user experience and how it helps you maximize affiliate earnings. If you're a content creator or blogger looking to earn money through affiliate marketing, Skimlinks might sound familiar. I tested it, and here's my honest experience. Most people get this wrong, thinking affiliate marketing requires manually signing up for dozens of programs. The surprising truth is Skimlinks automatically converts regular product links into affiliate links, saving tons of time. Getting started was simple. I created an account, integrated their script into my website, and started publishing content. Skimlinks scans the links on your pages, identifies merchant partners, and generates affiliate links in the background. This automation is a game changer for passive income. The dashboard provides clear reporting, showing clicks, conversions, and earnings by merchant. It also offers insights on top-performing content and trends, helping me optimize my strategy. Payments are reliable, with a monthly payout schedule once you reach the minimum threshold. The downside is that commissions vary depending on merchants, and some industries pay lower rates. Also, if your site has a lot of outbound links, it may take a bit to see significant earnings. Still, the automation and analytics make it worth using. In conclusion, Skimlinks is a powerful tool for bloggers and content creators who want to monetize links without manually managing programs. If you're looking for a hands-off approach to affiliate marketing, it's definitely worth trying.